Balancing and alignment. Before the frames are finished, a master craftsman checks balance. Do both temples and the frame front touch a flat surface evenly? Are they symmetric? Does everything align with the original blueprint? These checks ensure wearability and high quality. So one of the problems with mass-produced frames is a lot of times you end up getting frames that are not properly aligned and not properly balanced. That simply can't happen with Artisan Eyewear. So the balancing and alignment step is a critical success factor with Artisan Eyewear. Balancing is key because a lot of times if you're making, for example, a frame that includes a lot of thick acetate, which is very popular in 2025, you want the frames to feel light on the face. And the only way to achieve that is through proper balance. So you have to get an appropriate amount of the weight behind the ear, and the rest of it has to be balanced so that you can balance the frames this way. And that's what makes the frames feel incredibly light on the face and suitable for long-term wear. Final quality inspection. Every pair goes through a rigorous final inspection. Craftsmen inspect for surface flaws, hinge integrity, symmetry, and polish. They also run functional stress tests, hinge cycling, frame bending, to make sure each frame meets the highest standards. Only when a frame passes all these checks is it cleaned, packaged, and shipped. So for the inspection process, this is part of the process that doesn't just happen at the end. Throughout the process, once the hinges are attached, as an example, a hinge integrity test takes place where a machine will then open and close the hinges thousands and thousands of times over the course of something like 72 hours to ensure that the hinges work as advertised and that there are no defects with the hinges. If they do find a defects with the hinges, they throw them away and start over. Another thing that gets tested is the integrity of the frame front. So one of the things they do with the frame front is they will actually move the frame front back and forth. They'll bend the frame front like this. They'll have a machine do that thousands and thousands of times over the course of something like 72 hours. If the frame front then breaks, they have to throw it away and start over. Segment 10, sustainability and modern innovations. Many modern artisan eyewear brands are also embracing sustainability. For instance, Matsukeli now produces acetate made from acetate renew or bio-based and partially recycled materials. This allows for premium quality and craftsmanship while reducing environmental impact, marrying tradition and innovation in a beautiful and conscious way.